I'm now standing in the middle of this polar vortex. Well, they claim it's not the vortex, but it has to be. I've never seen this amount of snow. This is unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. It's been snowing steadily here since 5 a.m. Here I am going to attempt to measure the snowfall. Now, this snow has not been disturbed yet today. Let's see where we are. That's 7 inches of snow right there, ladies and gentlemen. 7 inches of snow here in the driveway. Okay, let's move down here and see what we got. Again, another 7 inches. I'm reading 7 inches. Steady, 7 inches. May have not mentioned this earlier, but this is that heavy wet snow. Okay, so I forgot to mention that. You can see the phenomenon here on the back of the truck. There's quite a phenomenon happening here, where the snow has actually begun to slip back in one big piece off the top of the truck. You can see here the snow began falling at 5 a.m. Here's the sidewalk. Polar vortex has struck again, even though the media is claiming that this is not the vortex. Clearly, there is activity here that could only be explained such that the vortex is involved. So we continue to battle the conditions brought on by the winter storm, the winter storm Maximus, bringing maximum devastation. You can see that the progress has been made, or at least some progress has been made. However, we still have many rivers to cross, many mountains to climb, as the snow continues to fall here in the middle of this extreme weather event that's been dubbed Winter Storm Maximus. Yes, and we've been struck by the polar vortex. We've been struck by the Alberta Clipper. We've been struck by the nor'easter. But you can see that progress has been made. It's difficult to tell right now if this snow is sticking or what's going to happen. The temperatures have hovered just above 32 degrees all day. Oh, we just checked the forecast, and it looks like it's going to drop down into the 20s tonight. So anything that's melting now and becoming liquid water is going to freeze over. So I'm trying to determine right now whether or not I should deploy melt, the calcium, the salt, whatever the heck it is I got in there. But as you can see, it's quite a bit of snow has fallen here in Pennsylvania today, ladies and gentlemen. We talked about a winter storm and the effects of the polar vortex, global climate change, ice age, global warming, whatever it is. I'm not sure, but I do know that the snow has fallen today and it continues to fall. You can see the pile of snow that we made here. Trying to clear a path. There's that driveway. We got that driveway clear. And that's the goal. Clear that driveway. Clear that sidewalk from the effects of the winter storm. The storm they called Maximus.